Hello friends, this is Candy with the Candy Foot Club, and I'm back in the kitchen today, and we are still trying to learn how to use this oven and air fryer. Today we're going to use the oven part, and we're going to make some little banana bread little muffins here. Okay, so we're going to start by mashing up some bananas, and I like to just take them and stick them onto a plate and use a fork just to mash them up nicely before I put them into the bowl and start mixing them. So the riper the bananas are, the better they are to bake with, and this is my third banana that I have smashed up and I'm putting in here. The recipe calls for 6 bananas, so you can double that if you want more of a banana flavor. I prefer a little less. Next I have some softened butter. You can use softened butter, or you can use even some melted butter. And I'm going to put in about 2/3 of a stick. And next goes in the sugar. I'm going to use about 2 cups of sugar. You can use honey in this if you like, or you can do a mixture. I'm just going to do regular granulated sugar today. And then mix it up well. Make sure you're incorporating all of that and getting all the lumps out of your sugar. Of course, if you have a mixer, you can put it in your mixer. I find it just as easy to do it by hand. Okay, I'm going to put 2 eggs in. So how are the prices of eggs in your area? I have a friend who has a lot of chickens, and so I just barter with her to get my eggs. And then we're going to beat those in. All right, next I'm going to put in a couple teaspoons of baking soda, and you can see that I buy a lot of baking soda because I use it for so many things. Put it in laundry. I use it to clean dishes that are really difficult to clean. Like I drink a lot of tea and my cups get a lot of tea stains, and you can literally just keep scrubbing and scrubbing and get nowhere. But if you just wet your finger, put a little baking soda around it and run it around your cup, it comes off almost like magic. And then I'm going to just put a good pinch of my Himalayan pink sea salt in. And then I have some vanilla in this jar. This is not my homemade vanilla. This is just vanilla that I buy at the store and then pour into this to make it look nicer. It has a big hole in it, so I hold my finger over it and just put in some vanilla. Okay, this is all mixed together really nicely. See how nice and smooth it looks. And so I'm going to get my old pickle jar out with my flour in it, and I'm going to add about, let's start with 3 cups and see how that goes. Okay, let's try to incorporate this into our mixture. Okay, the batter is getting a little thick for my rubber spatula, so I'm going to use my wooden spoon next and add in a little more flour. Okay, we're just trying to make sure we got all the flour off from the bottom there. Mix it all in. We have a nice batter going on here, so I'm going to set this aside and get the special pan that will fit perfectly into my new oven. And I'm going to grease it with some coconut oil. Now you can use whatever you prefer. You can use butter, lard, vegetable oil, or even just those sprays. But I'm just going to take a little bit and grease these up a little to make sure my banana breads don't stick. All right, the pans are all greased, so let's go ahead and fill up our little muffin pans. These are going to be so cute. Just the right size for the grandkids to grab, or for me to grab and have with my cup of tea. Let's get the oven on. Let's get cooking. And we're going to do the top this time.
Just regular bake, Mama. You got it.
Oops, right there, it's regular bake.
Did you click it?
Thanks, Sarah.
You're welcome.
And so let's try that. Now it's preheating and we'll wait till it gets hot and then we'll put it in. We have a lot of batter left, so Sarah and I thought that we would use this and put it in the regular oven and make some mini loaves. Okay, well, the oven is telling me to add food. So let's go ahead and pop these in. And then once you add the food, you need to come down and click this again and the timer starts. And it's ready. So let's check and see if it is done. Well, they sure look good, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they smell so good too. Yeah, I would say those are done. Let me grab my little spatula here. Oh my goodness, those are adorable and they look so good, don't they? I love it. I'll let you know how it tastes. I can literally take these out just with my fingers because they don't stick at all. Isn't that wonderful? No mess to clean up. I still have some butter left from making these, so I love butter on my banana bread. I think life is better with butter. Do you eat yours plain or do you butter yours? So let's just put the butter on here and oh, it smells so good. And give it a try. These are good. They turned out perfect. Crunchy on the outside, nice and soft and moist on the inside. I love it. And the mini muffins are done, and these were cooked in my regular oven, not in my new air fryer oven. But look at this. They just come out so easily. They smell so good. And I have some happy grandkids. Okay, so we ended up with our little muffins. Those are really cute, and our mini loaves. And what do you think, Fern?
Good.
All right, I got the thumbs up from Fern. This is Candy with the Candy Foot Club.